Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we'll be exploring some important features of the push button and how you can build and code this sensor into your prototype. A push button momentarily closes the circuit by completing a connection when pressed, or opens the circuit by stopping the flow of electricity when the button isn't pressed. Push buttons are often used in prototypes to trigger a system. There are 4 legs on the push button with the left and right sides internally connected. Now we're going to jump into how to build your push button. For this activity, you'll need a Redboard, a breadboard, a push button, 1 LED, and 5 male-to-male jumper cables. Be sure to follow the step-by-step diagram to build a prototype using the push button to light up an LED when pressed. Push buttons have parallel connections, so it doesn't matter which side of the button is connected to the ground or to pin 4. However, do be mindful of how your LED is placed on the breadboard. Make sure the shorter leg of your LED is connected to the ground and the longer leg is connected to pin 3 on the breadboard. After completing your build, now launch your Arduino IDE and add the following code into your sketch. The code roughly means the constant integer being declared will have a constant value and won't change. For example, the LED pin is always set to pin 3, and the button pin will always be set to pin 4. Be aware that spelling, capitalization, and punctuation are important when declaring a name to a specific pin number. Inside the curly brackets of the void setup, the pin mode establishes the LED as an output, and the button pin as an input pull-up, which is typically used to monitor a momentary switch, button, or toggle switch. Inside the void loop, the if-else statement implies that if the push button is pressed, the Arduino reads low because there is a close connection to the ground and the LED will turn on, or else keep the LED turned off when the push button is unpressed or when the connection is open. The delay will pause for 200 milliseconds before looping again. After completing your code, make sure the Redboard is connected to your computer using the USB connection. Also, ensure your port is selected to the COM with the highest number. Once connected, you're ready to verify and upload your code. After uploading your code to the Redboard, confirm that your push button is functioning correctly by pressing down and turning on your LED. If not, don't worry. Recheck your wiring to make sure they're aligned with the legs of your push button. Also check the placement of your LED. Make sure the short leg of your LED is connected to the ground and the longer leg is connected to pin 3 on the Redboard. Thanks for watching, and please let us know if you have any questions in the comment section below. And be sure to check out our other videos on our First Nations Mesa channel.